Hello everyone, welcome to the Pharmacy India. So Pharmacy India launches Niper JE crash course for 2022 aspirants, and the features of Niper JE crash course is you will get 60 plus live classes, 100 plus pre-recorded lectures, subject wise test series, subject wise notes, and especially focused on quantitative aptitude reasoning series, which is very important for Niper. And yes, the live classes started from 20th May, and you will get special 500 rupees off on Niper JE crash course. Just use the coupon code NIPER50 and download the Pharmacy India mobile app from the Google Play Store. तैयारी इस बार जीत की. Face it, fight it, achieve it with Pharmacy India. डरने की है क्या बात जब Pharmacy India है आपके साथ. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.